Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to make Christmas tree slime, and it's going to be jiggly with some ornaments in there too. So let's get started. So first thing that you'll need is a ball and a fork or something to mix it, and some clear or white Elmer's glue. I prefer clear, but all I have right now is just white. Next you will need some warm water, has to be that. And this is optional, but you can use some shaving cream. And you can also use Tide, contact lens solution, borax, liquid starch, anything basically. So once you add your Elmer's glue, which I already did, you want to add your shaving foam. Only a little bit though, about that much. And just want to mix that all together. Okay, mix again. Sorry about the background noises and my loud breathing. But anyways, yeah. So I'm actually gonna add my paint. And it has to be green. I mean, if you're making Christmas tree, obviously it's gonna be green. You want to take some green paint or green food coloring, doesn't matter, and put it in your slime and mix that all together. So it forms this. Oh, sorry, you can't see that. Okay, it forms this green cream slime. And now this is where the warm water comes in. You want to just start adding some of your water and be very careful. And be very careful on how you mix it. Soon I'm gonna get a microphone so I'm better at speaking and stuff. So you can add more water to make it more jiggly. This is what I'm gonna do. Once you got that water mixed all together, you just, it's gonna be fine. And once you have that mixed all together, all your water, you wanna go in with your activator. I'm gonna do this off camera. Go. You just wanna add some Tide or contact lens solution or anything. Basically, I'm just using some Tide. You just want to keep mixing it in, and just want to keep mixing that. That hurts. And this is when I go in with my hands. I know it's still sticky and stuff, but you still want to go in with your hands. Sorry if my hand's in the way. You just want to go in with your hands. Better angle. I know it's really sticky, so just trust me. And while it's still sticky, you want to go around the edges and start collecting the slime around there. Add more activator if you need to. So, as you can see, it is formed together really quickly. I actually made my first batch of this Christmas tree slime for my sister. That's so sticky. And you just want to go in with a bit more activator if need to. And you're just going to keep mixing that in. Don't want to make this too long, so board. Okay. Let me just put this down here and just start to. See this once you start kneading it now. and mine's still a little bit sticky, which is good because I actually got these mini ornaments right here from my mini Christmas tree in my room, which I'm actually gonna put in my Christmas tree. So I only have 2 because I used all the rest in my other Christmas tree slime. So sticky. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with some activator. I have to hurry this up because my iPad's beginning to die. Oh, that was way too much activator. They'll be okay. Don't want to over activate it because it won't be stretchy at all and it won't be as jiggly. Just keep on kneading it until you get your perfect texture. And there we go. There is your DIY how to make a Christmas tree ornament slime. Really liked how it turned out. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell once you subscribe, and comment down below what's your favorite part about this video. And Merry Christmas, or Merry Christmas Eve, because tomorrow's Christmas Eve and I'm so excited. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you all so much for watching this video. So bye guys.